Okay.
All right.
Don't fight. Don't fight.
No.
I got it. I got it.
Relax, man. Relax.
Let me get on top. Let me get on top. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. We got him. We got him. Let him chill. Let him chill.
Listen. I already said I didn't do nothing.
Relax.
That's why I'm not listening to you.
Relax.
You're going to go to jail. Sorry, you already touched
Relax.
me aggressively for no reason.
On November 6, 2025 in Joliet, Illinois, police responded after a 22-year-old man ran out of St. Joseph's Hospital while staff were preparing to transfer him to a mental health facility following an earlier incident connected to a mental health episode and confrontation with officers. When officers located him blocks away, he ignored commands and refused arrest.
No, I know this one. No, watch this. If she started the argument, how is she going to say I said? No, I'm not forced to go. But what if she started the argument and I didn't even say nothing? So how is that going to be me if I say something insulting?
What's your first name again?
Isaiah?
Isaiah.
I thought it was a Marion.
I know I didn't do nothing.
But you think it's...
No, because I know if you touch me, I'm going to beat your ass. That's why I'm doing all this, so I can show you.
Don't say
I didn't do
that.
nothing, so if you touch me...
Why
Because I didn't do nothing. She just literally lied and said I said something vulgar. So if you touch me, I know I'm going to win. This girl's going to beat your ass. If you shoot me, I won't care. Because I know I'm going to win. That's why. That's why. You could do it right now.
Did you say your name's Isaiah?
Yes.
I thought it was a Marion.
It's Marion and Isaiah Black.
Oh, but you go by Isaiah? Okay. So why are we so hyped up today? What's the
Because
issue?
I know if they say I said something vulgar, they're going to take me to the hospital and be there for 7 days.
It's not
so
vulgar.
then if I touch you and you touch me, I'm going to win because I didn't say nothing to ask, so they're not going to win again.
Okay.
That's why I know you're not going to touch me. I ain't do nothing to ask. And she can't say I said a negative statement to her. And they're going to say I'm going to go to the hospital, and I didn't even start nothing with her.
So Marion, did you say or anything?
She has the recording she told you, right?
Yeah.
So then she should be able to pull the recording up on her phone.
Yeah.
It's that easy. She already said it's on her phone, right?
No, that's
So then
okay.
make sure it's on her phone.
I did hear the statement that you said, so I want to know, like, what's that directed at?
What statement? Imagine having a recording waiting for it, like.
I know, I want
Oh,
to
imagine. How long was the video?
You seem like a smart guy.
No,
That's
how
why
long was
I'm
the
asking.
video?
A couple minutes.
Okay, so a couple minutes. What was the beginning?
I don't know, man. That's why I'm asking you. What
No.
was your intention with the statement?
What statement?
When you said,
I'm not going to really listen to you. That's why I'm not really trying to listen to you because I ain't do nothing. So I
well,
know
that's
she
why we're
can't take
asking
me.
questions, because I want to know what your intentions
No,
were today.
the
What
thing is, she just called you for nothing. That's the reason.
No,
That's why I'm going to touch you if you touch me. And I
Amara.
know I'm going to win. That's why I'm not worried about you. So go get her in jail because she literally just lied to you.
Relax.
Okay, I got you because
Okay.
I know what they're going to do.
We're all cool
he's
here.
a little anxious, so he's going to go to the ambulance,
Let
right?
me ask you this next. Have you been diagnosed with
No, I'm
anything?
going to the military, so I have to be off meds for like 3 to 4 months. That's why I'm
Okay.
not worried about you talking to me.
Yeah. Okay, so you haven't been diagnosed. Wait,
truth
what?
and
That's not a diagnosis.
no.
Hi. Did you guys talk to the doctor? What'd they say?
They said that you gotta go if you guys are willing to assist.
Okay.
Safely.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
Okay. Oh,
you're good. We're good.
Okay.
all right.
Don't fight. Don't fight.
No.
I got it. I got it.
Relax, man. Relax.
Let me get on top. Let me get on top. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. We got him. We got him. Let him chill. Let him chill. Hey, relax.
No, I'm going to
Don't try
do shit.
biting.
No, I'm going to do shit so you can
Don't
get
try
jail. You
biting.
can go to jail. That's why I'm doing all this.
Don't try biting.
Nope,
Hey,
that's why I'm not listening to you. You're going to go to jail.
listen.
I already said I didn't do nothing.
Relax.
That's why I'm not listening to you.
Relax.
You're going to go to jail. Sorry, you already touched
Relax.
me aggressively for no
Relax,
reason.
dude.
Sorry,
Listen.
I can't deal with that.
You're gonna get hurt if you keep doing this. Okay. You're gonna get hurt.
I already touched you, so you got to take me to court and to the police station. Sorry, I'm not going to go to the hospital for nothing.
All I want you to do is get some help.
I didn't do nothing.
You have to relax.
Okay, got you.
Put your hand behind your back for me. Okay?
Got you.
Are you gonna comply?
My animals.
What's that?
Animals.
Okay. Straighten this arm out. Straighten it out.
No, not for you.
Why?
Because I didn't do nothing.
Come on. Okay. Then we're gonna push this arm up. Listen. Why do you want to do this?
Because I ain't do nothing. You know already why I'm doing this, so you can go to take me to court. You got your battle cam on?
Yeah.
Okay, so then good. Good, not worried about it.
We're just gonna let him sit here for a minute. If he wants to.
Don't fucking bite me.
Then let me go.
Hey, stop trying to bite. Hey, listen. No. Stop.
I'm sorry, your handcuffs are too tight and I didn't do nothing. I'm innocent. I'm literally innocent.
Stop. Okay, what's gonna happen here is you're gonna get tased, okay?
Tase me, I wanted to try it for military.
Well, you're very close to that. Okay? Just stop. Stop.
You're fucking nothing. You're literally like a fucking fat. That's why you can't beat me.
That's my hand. Oh, he's got it.
No, because if you tase me, you're gonna go to jail, and I know it. So you know that too. That's why you're doing
Alright.
less. You're doing less lethal.
Want me to take this hand?
Just
I know you're not going to.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
You just hit me in my face and I didn't do nothing. Okay?
you punched me in my head, so.
Give me your hand, sir. Right?
Yeah, you good? You get it?
I give it to you.
Got it?
Yep.
No,
Behind my
baby.
foot.
I got his on the leg. Get his arm. Yeah, we're good.
We're trying to get it. Okay, you got that hand?
Yep.
Let me move my foot.
You can get it now. You can get it, promise. You can get it. You
All
can
right,
take
give it
my
to
arm.
us, son.
Take
Give it to us.
Here. I know I didn't do nothing. Sorry. I just had to
Here we
get
go.
you to the police station because I keep you hit you, right? Sorry, but I know I didn't do nothing, so I did all this to you. Thank you. You still put me in and hit me in my face. I'm bleeding. Lying. I didn't do nothing. Sorry. I know you know that I'm not lying to you, so it's okay. I got it. You literally hit me for nothing. That's that. You know I'm not lying to you, right? I know. Fuck you. The dogs in the basement, they're not going to keep no camera in my pocket.
All right. Roll.
I literally got you. Put your fucking ass up.
Hey,
Stop! You better stop! You're fucking police! Stop! You're fucking government. I'm in handcuffs. Dude, take your bitch ass.
I used to fight.
Ass fuck!
Get down.
No choice, man.
Not worried about it.
Good.
I know, because you attacked me for no reason.
Nope.
What was the reason?
Stop saying crazy shit to your mom.
Just now. You have body cam, though.
Yeah.
You have body cam, though. Yeah.
The suspect was arrested and charged with multiple counts, including aggravated battery to a police officer, resisting arrest, and criminal damage to property. After spending several days in the Joliet area jail, he was released later that week. At the time of release, he had already completed his mental health evaluation and was transferred back into police custody for processing. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.